I'm Tanu, and I am in the Graphic and Print Technician program at MITT. One of my friends recommended that there is a college MITT, and Graphic and Print Technician program was the one that attracted me the most. I started the program, and the printing part is the one I enjoyed the most. Using different printing machines, the wide format printing machines, Xerox, digital printing. I also learned the graphic designing, Adobe Illustrator, Acrobat, InDesign, the Photoshop. It was more than what I expected. If you are interested in printing and graphic designing, you have different options to get a job. Like you can go on as a graphic designer, you can go as a wide format printer, you can go as a digital printer. There are so many options